Hello dear students, welcome to the class. In today's class, I'll teach you a new chapter, that is percentage. Okay, it is chapter 8 of your book. Okay, it is in page number 111. So percentage means out of 100. Okay, this percentage means out of 100. So let's see the first exercise, that is exercise 48. Exercise 48. Exercise 48. Question number 1. Convert the following percentage to their equivalent fraction. Convert the following, FOLLOWING, following to equivalent fractions, FRACTIONS, fractions. Convert the following percentage, okay, percent, PERCENT, percent to equivalent fractions. So number A is, you have 10%. 10%. You have to convert this to equivalent fraction. Okay. Number B is 20%. Number C is 12 1/2%. So you have to convert this percentage to equivalent fraction. This will be equals to 10. If you remove this percentage, you have to divide by 100. Percent means out of 100. Okay, so you have to divide by 100. So once you write 100 here in denominator, no need to write this percentage. Don't write like this. Okay, just write 100, 10 upon 100. So you cancel this, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This will be 1 upon 10, and it is 0. Convert the following to equivalent fractions. You have to write in fraction only. So this is the answer, 1 upon 10. Okay, so this will be equals to 20 percentage means upon 100. Okay, so 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. You have to convert the percentage to equivalent fraction. You have to keep it in fraction only. Okay, this first let's convert to proper fraction. Okay, it is in mixed fraction. Let's convert to proper fraction. So conversion, you have to multiply 2 into 12 plus 1. You have to do 2 into 12 is 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2%. 2 12s are 24 plus 1 is 25 upon 2. Okay, so this will be equals to 25 upon 2 is there into 100. In fraction, you have to divide by 100. 100 you can write in here beside this one. 2 into 100 you can write like this. Okay, so let's cancel it. You can cancel with 5 or 25. It is up to you. Okay, I'll cancel directly with 25. 25 1s are 25. 25 4s are 100. So it will be equals to 1 upon 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Okay, so 1 upon 2 4s are 8. 1 upon 8 is your answer. So this exercise percentage chapter, this I have given for exam also. Okay, so you practice properly. Next question is 66 2/3%. Number 4. Okay, number D is 66 2 upon 3%. Number E is 72%, and number F is 125%. 125%. So first let's multiply this. 3 into 66, you do in rough. Okay, 3 into 66, 66 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 1 is carried over, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 is 19, plus you have to do 2, plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 is carried over, 9 plus 1 10, 1 to 200. So 200 upon 3%, 200 upon 3%. So it will be equals to 200 upon 3 into 100. If you remove this percentage, you have to divide by 100. Okay, we'll do the cancellation. Two zeros gets cancelled. So 2 upon 3 into 1. Here 1 is left. So it will be 2 upon 3 ones are 3. 2 upon 3 is your answer. Okay. Next, the 72%. 72 upon 100. Let's do the cancellation. Let me cancel with 2. Okay. 2 3 is 6. 1 is carried this side. 12. 2 6 are 12. Here 2 5 are 10. 2 0 are 0. Again, let me cancel with 2 only. 2 1s are 2. 1 is carried this side. 16. 2 8s are 16. Here 2 2s are 4. 1 is carried this side. 2 5s are 25. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. 2s are 4. 1 2 5s are 10. Okay. Here you cannot cancel now. Okay. This 2, they don't have 18 and 25. They don't have common factors. So your answer will be 18 upon 25. 18 upon 25 is your answer. Okay. This one, 125 percentage is divided by 100. Now let's cancel it. You can cancel with 25 or simply you can cancel with 5. I'll cancel with 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 is carried this is 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 0s are 0. Again I'll cancel with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. So your answer is 5 upon 4. This is your answer. So question number 1, that is conversion from percentage to equivalent fractions, is over. Okay, you practice this type of question properly for your exam. Now let's move on to question number 2. Okay, now question number 2 is convert the following fractions to their equivalent percents. You have to convert fraction to percents. Okay, for this you have to multiply by 100. 1 by 4 into 100 you have to do. 1 by 4 into 100. Okay, so here and here you can cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 0s are 0. Again 2 1s are 2. 2 25s are 50. 100 you have to write percent also. Okay, so it will be equals to 25 upon 1%. So 25 divided by 1 means 25% only. Okay, anything divided by 1 will be that number only. 25 upon 1 is 25 only. So while converting fractions to percents, you have to multiply by 100. Remember that. Okay, next, number 2, you have 7 upon 10. In order to convert this fraction to percents, you have to multiply by 100. So this 0 and this 0 you can, here you have to put percent also. Okay, 100%. 0 and 0 from numerator and denominator gets cancelled. So 7 into 10 upon, in denominator you are left with 1. Okay, percent. 7 into 10 is 70 upon 1%. 70 upon 1. If there is 1 in denominator, no need to write that one. Okay, 70% only. Simply write 70%. Next, this you try it on your own. 11 by 20. This is your homework. Okay, this. First, let's convert this into proper fractions. So 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 by 5. 7 by 5. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 5. Okay. Now, let's multiply by 100. 5 into 100%. I'll do the cancellation. You can cancel with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 0s are 0. So it will be 7 into 20 divided by 1%. So 7 2s are 14. 140 by 1%. So 140 upon 1 means 140% only. 140%. percent. This is your answer. Okay. Next. Six 1 by 4. Number E, you have 6 1 by 4. You have to convert this into percent. Okay. So first let's convert it into proper fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 upon 4. So 25 upon 4 into, you have to do 100%. Do the cancellation. You can cancel with 4 or you can cancel with 2 also. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 is carried this side. 24 5s are 20. So 25 into 25 divided by 1%. 25 into 25, you multiply it, okay, you'll get 625. 25 into 25 comes 5 is a 25, 5 2 is a 10, 2 is carried over, 5 2 is 11, 12, 2 5 is a 10, 2 2 is a 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, 625, 625 upon 1%. So it will be 625%. And this is your answer. Okay. This is how you have to solve. Next, number E, number F is your home task. If you try it on your own. Let's move on to question number 3. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is convert the following percents to their equivalent decimals. Okay, you have to convert percentage to decimals. So you have 7%. So it will be equals to 7 if you remove the percentage divided by 100. We have done question number 1. Okay. 7% will be 7 upon 100. Now, excuse me, it will be, now you do the division work. Okay. You'll get 0.07. Since here you have 2 zeros. Here you have 2 zeros. You have to put decimal before 2 digits. Okay. So 1 2 digits. 1 digit is already here. So another you put 0 and then you put the decimal. We have done conversion of fractions to decimals. We have done that one. Okay. So you can say there also. So 11% will be 11 upon 100. So it will be, here you have 2 zeros, here you have 2 digits. So simply double 1, put point here, and in front of this you put 0. This is your answer. Okay. Here first let's convert this. 2 18s are 36. 18 into 2. 2 is 16. 2 1 is 2 plus 1. 36 plus this 1 you have to do 37. 37 upon 2%. So it will be 37 upon 2 into 100%. Sorry, if you remove percentage, you have to divide by 100. Okay. So it will be 37 divided by 2 into 100 is 200. Excuse me. Now you do the division work. Here there was 1 there. So we simply wrote like this. Okay. Here you have 2. In this case you have to divide. Let me do the division. This is rough work. Okay. 200 divides 37. So you cannot divide. 37 is smaller than 200. So 0 times 200 zeros are 0 0. So subtract is 37. Now you put point here and you put 0 here. You know how to divide, isn't it? So 200 ones are 200. Subtract it 0 7 and 1. Again this you put one more 0. 200 8s are 16. 200 into 8. 200 into 8 will be 8 0 is 0. 8 0 is 2. 8 2 is 16. 1600. Subtract it 0 0 1. Okay, now again you put I'll write here 100. Again, you put one more zero here. 200 5s are 200 5s are 1000 minus. So it will be 0.185. This is your answer, 0.185. Okay, do the division work properly. Okay, next question. Excuse me. Okay, now same question number 3, number D. You have 25%, you have to convert this to equivalent decimal. Okay, so 25% means 25 upon 100. If you remove percentage, you have to divide by 100. Okay, do the cancellation. Otherwise, you can simply put point. If there is 100 in denominator, you can simply put point. 2 zeros you have, and here you have two digits. So 25, put point here, 0.25. Okay, otherwise you can do this also. See, you can or 25 upon 100. You first do the cancellation. Okay, cancel it with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100. Again, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So we have got 1 by 4. Now divide this. Rough work. Okay, 4 1. 4 zeros are 0. 1 is carried over. So you have to put 0 here and point here. 4 2s are 8. Subtracted 2. Again you put 0. 4 5s are 20. Subtracted. So 0.25. This will be 0.25. This is how you have to do. You can simply follow this process, or you can first cancel it and then you can do the division work. Okay, it is up to you. Now next, from this question number 3 up to D, I have taught you E, F and G is your home task. E, F, G, H, I. E, F, G, H, I is your home task. Okay. Okay. Question number 3, number I, I'll teach you. Okay. Since it is given in decimal, I'll teach you one question. This you have to convert percentage to equivalent decimals. So it will be 62.5 upon 62.5 upon 100. If you remove this percentage, you have to divide by 100. Okay, so it will be equals to remove this decimal also. 625. This decimal is in tens place. Units tens. It is in tens place. So divided by 10 into 100. If I remove this decimal, yeah, 10 goes here. Okay. So 625 upon 1000. Since here is 1 and here you have 3 zeros, you directly put the decimal, okay, in front of 3 digits. So it will be equals to your 1 2 3 digits you have. So 625 point will be here. Decimal will be in front of 3 digits. Okay. Since here you have 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros are there. So and in front of this decimal you put 0. This is your answer. Otherwise, you can do division work also. First, you do cancel it with 5, like I did for previous question. You can follow that process also. Okay. Remaining questions is your home task from this question number 3. Now let's move on to question number 4. Now question number 4 is convert the following decimals to equivalent percents. You have to convert decimals to percents. For this, you have to multiply by 100. Okay, so it will be equals to 0.6 into 100%. 0.6 into 100%. Decimals, while converting decimals to percents, you have to multiply by 100. Okay, so it will be 6. Remove this decimal, divided by 10. Since this decimal is in tens place, so 10 goes in denominator into 100%. So do the cancellation. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So 6 into 10 upon 1%. Below this is 1. Okay, 6 into this is 10 divided by 1%. 6 into 10 is 60 upon 1%. 60 upon 1 means 60% only. Similarly for this, it will be 0.27 into 100%. So it will be 27 upon 100. Since this decimal is in hundreds place, units tens 100, it is in hundreds place. So 100 goes in denominator while removing this decimal, okay, into this 100% as it is. So 100 and 100 you can cancel this and this one time. So it will be 27. Here is 1, okay, into 1%. So that is 27%. This 0.0256 into 100%. So remove this decimal, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. No need to write this 0, okay, simply write 256 divided by 10,000, 10,000. Since this decimal is in 10,000s place, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000s place, so 10,000 into 100%. So do the cancellation, 2 zeros you can cancel. You have got 256 upon 100%. So put decimal in front of 2 digits. Here you have 2 zeros, okay, and here is 1. So simply put decimal 256 in front of 2 digits, 1, 2, 2 digits, you put the decimal. So 0.56%. This is your answer. You have to convert this into percent. So 2.56%. Okay. So in this way you have to solve. Number D. Number D you have 12.5. This is your home task, homework. You follow the same process, okay? Number D. Number E. You have 8.9. You follow the same process. This is your home task. And next is you have 8 point. F is 8.254. You have to convert this into percent. This I will teach you. This will be equals to 8.254 into 100%. Now you remove this decimal 8254 upon this decimal is in which place? Units, tens, 100,000, thousands place into 100. Do the cancellation. 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 8254 upon 10%. So since here you have 1 0, 10, write this number 8254 and put decimal in front of one digit. Since here you have only 1 0, okay, so put point here, decimal. This is your answer. So you practice properly this one also for your exam, okay? Now let's move on to another question. Okay, now question number 5 is convert the following percents. You have to convert this percents to equivalent decimals. You have to convert to equivalent decimals, okay? Here you have 3%, so it will be 3 upon 100. If you remove percentage, you have to divide by 100. This you put the decimal. You have 2 zeros, so you put decimal in front of 2 digits. There is only one digit, so before this you put 3 and before this you put 0 and put point here 0.03. okay, otherwise you can divide 100 divides 3, 100 zeros are 0, 3, put 0 here and put point. Again you cannot divide 100 zeros are 0, subtract it 30, again you put 1 0, so 100 3s are 300. Okay, so 0.03. If you are confused with this decimal system of this division, okay, you can follow this normal division method also. Next you have 15%, so 15 upon 100. So 15 upon 100, here you have 2 zeros and here you have 2 digits, so simply put point in front of 2 digits. This is your answer. Okay, here you have 125%, 125 upon 100. Here you have two zeros. Here you have three digits. So put decimal in front of two digits. 125 and decimal will be here. This is your home task. You number D, you try it on your own. Okay, you follow the same process. Now let's move on to another question. Okay, now question number 6 and 7, no need to do. Okay, you can cancel those two questions. Now let's see question number 8. Find the value of number A is 2% of 175. You have to find the value of 2% of 175. So 2 percentage means divided by 100, of means into 175. This is how you have to simplify. Okay, percentage means divided by 100, of means multiplication, of means multiplication. Okay, into 175. So it will be 2 into 175 divided by 100. 2 into 175 upon 100. You can cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Again you can cancel here and here. 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15, 2 is left, 25, 5 5s are 25. Now again you can cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 7 by 2. This is equals to 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2, you divide it and write it in decimal. Okay, 2 7, 2 3s are 6, 1. So you cannot divide, so put 0 here and put decimal here. 2 5s are 10. So 3.5 is your answer. 3.5 is your answer. Okay, now next number 2. Number 2 is 20% of 725. 20% means divided by 100, of is into 725. So it will be 20 into 725 upon 100. So you cancel this 0 and this 0. Again you can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Again you can cancel here and here. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 2 is carried this side. Okay, 2 is carried this side. 22. 5 4s are 20. Again 2 is left. 2 is carried this side. 25. 5 5s are 25. So it will be 1 into 145. That is 1 into 145 means 145 only. This is your answer. No need to write this 1 which is in denominator. Okay. So question number A and question number B I have taught you. Question number C and number D you try it on your own. That is your home task. Okay, and you complete it and send me your works. This exercises, whatever I have taught you, this is very very important for your exam. Okay, so you practice properly. Similar type of questions you will get in exam. Okay, thank you. This much for today's class.